Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. You know, it's funny how something so small, something you can hold in your hand, like a simple wrench, can literally be the difference between a smooth operation and a complete disaster. We're going to talk about why it's so much more than just a piece of metal. It's really about the partnership that stands behind it. So let me ask you this right off the bat. What is the true cost of a single stripped screw? I'm not talking about a few reals. I mean the real cost to your production line, your rig, or your facility. It's a tiny little failure that can kick off a massive, and I mean massive, domino effect. And see, that's exactly why a tool is never just a tool. It's your first line of defense against downtime, against delays, against all those headaches. So let's use this as our foundation today, the kind of tool that professionals across the kingdom rely on. Okay, look at this. Every single feature here solves a real-world problem. You've got Chrome Vanadium steel. What does that actually mean? It means it won't snap when you're putting some serious torque on it. The long arm design, that gives you the leverage you need to break loose a stubborn bolt, even when it's buried deep in a machine. Precision tips, well, that prevents the very stripped screw we were just talking about. And of course, a corrosion-resistant finish and that made in Germany quality seal, you know this thing is built to last. So yeah, this is an absolutely fantastic, reliable tool. Anyone can see that. But in your world, whether you're out in Dhahran, managing a plant in Jubail, or keeping a critical facility running in Riyadh, failure is just not an option. It's not something you can afford. In oil and gas, in a hospital, on a high-speed production line, the stakes are just way too high for anything less than 100% guaranteed performance. And that brings us to the heart of the matter. We have to understand the true cost of failure. And trust me, it goes way, way beyond the price of a single Allen key. This is the nightmare scenario, isn't it? This is that ripple effect. A cheap tool fails, a screw gets stripped, and what happens next? Boom! Critical downtime. The entire production line grinds to a halt. You've got safety risks, project delays, and incredibly expensive shutdowns. And the worst part? You're stuck trying to get support from a supplier halfway around the world who doesn't understand your urgency. That's a situation no manager ever wants to face. So, this is where the conversation completely changes. Yani, you can buy a product from pretty much anywhere. But from us, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a partnership. We're not some faceless supplier, we are your local partner, right here in the kingdom. Let me just walk you through what our commitment to you actually looks like. Step 1. We are an Aramco-approved and ISO-certified partner. That's not just a logo, that is your guarantee of the highest standards. Second, we get you top-quality, genuine products at really competitive prices. Third, we deliver anywhere you are in the kingdom. Fourth, and this is a big one, we offer full turnkey installation and commissioning. We don't just drop off a box and leave. And finally, step 5, our partnership means you get lifetime local support right here in Saudi Arabia. This chart really makes it crystal clear. I mean, look at the difference. A generic supplier, they deliver a box and give you a number to call overseas. With us, you get a full partnership backed by a local KSA engineering team. They give you a one-time transaction, we give you lifetime support. Their model leaves you open to all that potential downtime we talked about. Our model is a direct investment in your uptime. It's a totally different way of thinking. And that's who we are. It's our core identity. We are your partner, right here in the kingdom. We know the environment, we understand the stakes, and we are on the ground, here for you when you need us the most. So when you hear us say we're an Aramco-approved supplier, what does it actually mean for you? Well, it means that every single product we supply, every service we offer, has been put through the ringer to meet the absolute highest standards for quality, safety, and reliability in Saudi Arabia. Plain and simple, it's your peace of mind. So all of this really leads to one simple conclusion. This isn't about just buying something. It's about making a smart, strategic investment in the efficiency, the safety, and the long-term success of your entire operation. If there is just one thing you take away from this, please let it be this right here. Don't just buy a product. Invest in a complete solution from an Aramco-approved partner who is going to stand with you right here in the kingdom. So let's build that partnership together, one that secures your operations for years to come. Get in touch with our team for a technical consultation so we can talk about your specific needs. Shukran. We really look forward to helping your operations succeed.